Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing total inventory calculation for marketplace reporting. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communique for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communique features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. Total inventory calculation is a feature found in many reports. It allows you control over how the quantity total column is calculated. By default, the quantity total is calculated by adding the quantity on hand, quantity on order, quantity reserved, and quantity in transit values. Communique for Marketplaces provides total inventory calculation options so you can determine which quantities, if any, to include in the quantity total. Let's get started with a total inventory calculation presentation for reports found in Communique for Marketplaces. On screen is suggested product order report. As I mentioned earlier, total inventory calculation is a feature used in many inventory reports, especially replenishment reports. The replenishment report uses quantity total times the sales velocity to calculate recommended units. By default, the quantity total includes the quantity on order, quantity reserved, and quantity in transit. Looking at the currently highlighted item, the quantity total is 53. The quantity on hand is 21, plus quantity on order is 0, plus quantity reserved of 32, plus quantity of in transit of 0, equals a total of 53. Multiply sales velocity of 1.733 times 53 units results in a recommended units of 25. Let's say the quantity of 32 was reserved by the warehouse entirely for sales and nothing else. It is unlikely the quantity reserved of 32 would ever return back to stock. By using the total inventory calculation options, you can suppress the quantity reserved for this item so the quantity total will be 21, thereby changing the recommended units for the item. Right mouse click and select Search from the pop-up menu. Click the additional filter tab found at the bottom of the data filters. Look at the total inventory calculation options found in the bottom left of the data filters. You can see the include quantity on order, quantity reserved, and quantity in transit checkboxes. Toggle off all three options so quantity on order, quantity reserved, and quantity in transit quantities are not included in the quantity total. We'll apply these changes to suggested product order report. The quantity total is now 21, the same as the quantity on hand. The quantity reserve is no longer counted in the quantity total. The recommended units is now calculated at 57. Though we toggled off all three of total inventory calculation options, you can choose whichever you want to include for the quantity total calculation. There are some additional variables used in calculating sales velocity like supply days, lead days, and sales days. These variables are used for calculating the sales velocity, which in turn is used with the quantity total to determine the recommended units. We will be discussing these variables in greater detail during the suggested product order video. This concludes our presentation for total inventory calculation for various reports found in Communique for Marketplaces. In summary, you can use the total inventory calculation to determine which quantities are used to calculate the quantity total. Total inventory calculation options affect other calculations like the recommended units and order. Communique for Marketplace offers features which provide you the greatest latitude replenishing products. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. Contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting and how we can help. Join the conversation at www.marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.